So why did I stop using ClickFunnels after I've been a customer of theirs for 3 years? Stay to the end of this video and I'm going to show you what I use now. It's completely free and I'm going to show you exactly where to get it. It's way better than ClickFunnels. What's the alternative I'm talking about? Stay to the end of the video. Watch the full tutorial and the review here. Now, if it's your first time here on this channel, my name is the infamous Joel. I show you how to make money online so that you can quit your job, you can fire your boss, and you can live a life of freedom, passion, and fulfillment. So make sure you subscribe to the channel and don't forget to hit that like button so that you can let YouTube know that you like content like this. Now, I don't like to waste a whole lot of time, so let's get right into exactly why I stopped using ClickFunnels and why I think you should stop using ClickFunnels too. Now, if you are not familiar with ClickFunnels, if you have not started using ClickFunnels quite yet, and even if you have, if you're just a beginner, you're just starting off, you just use ClickFunnels because someone showed you or told you to use ClickFunnels, I'm going to walk you through exactly why I think ClickFunnels is not the best option for your funnel builder, for your online business. I was a ClickFunnels customer for 3 years, so I don't think too many people are more qualified than me. I've also built six-figure business here using ClickFunnels. So if I would leave ClickFunnels, then there must be a pretty good reason why, right? And I'm going to explain to you exactly why. But first, let's start with ClickFunnels pricing plan so that you can see exactly how their pricing structure works. Now, the basic plan for ClickFunnels is $97 a month, and then they have this upgraded $297 a month for the platinum, in which you get quite a few things. You get unlimited funnels, you get limited pages. Let's start here first and foremost before I even move forward to any of the other problems with ClickFunnels here. Stop right here, right now. Funnels, okay? 20 funnels with the basic plan and 100 pages. And then if you upgrade for almost $200 more, you're going to get unlimited of that. So stop right here if you're a beginner, if you're just starting off, you have a few funnels, or if you're just kind of dabbling and trying to figure out how to start your online business, whether it be physical products or affiliate stuff or whatever. And you say you've been hearing you need this stuff called funnels, these sales funnels, and you're saying, well, how many funnels do I need? Do I need this unlimited plan? Am I going to need to scale and grow later? Yes, you will probably need to scale and grow later, but I'm going to tell you flat out right now, I have a lot of colleagues in this space. I'm in the affiliate marketing space. I also have my own courses and coaching program, and I can tell you, I don't know anybody. I'm dead serious. I don't know anybody that has more than 20 funnels, and I'm talking about millionaires all the way up. Okay, 20 funnels is a lot of funnels. That's a lot. If you have more than 20 funnels in your business, you probably don't make a whole lot of money. I'm just being honest because you probably are super unfocused. You're all over the place. Nobody needs that many funnels. So right then and there, this part of the pricing structure is just complete nonsense. Nobody needs more than 20 funnels. Okay, so if you're thinking, well, I should get the $297 because it gives you unlimited funnels, you're not gonna need 20 funnels, more than 20 funnels. Okay, that's absurd. That's a lot of funnels. Okay, so that's number one. So if you're thinking you need this for that, no, you don't. Okay, you don't need more than 20 funnels. You can build a multiple 7 and 8 figure business with less than 20 funnels. I would say like 5 funnels. Okay, so you don't need that many. All right, next thing is sub users. I've never had a whole lot of use for this because I don't really have a massive team myself. I might hire a VA to do a few things here and there, but for the most part, one is fine. Okay, so that's another thing. Payment gateways. I don't know anybody who has more than one payment gateway. I have Stripe. Occasionally, I might use PayPal. Again, this is another one of those fluff up the numbers kinds of things where they're telling you, well, you can have 9 gateways. Who the hell needs this many gateways? If you're a beginner and you don't know what a gateway is, it essentially just means your payment processor. Okay, most people use Stripe. You can use PayPal. You can use Square. There's a lot of different options out there, but not too many people have like way more than 3. I've never even heard of that. I don't know. I don't even know what the purpose of having so many payment processors, payment gateways would be. I don't even know. But okay, so then we get to domains, and I kind of get it. Some people like to have multiple domains. They like to have, blah blah blah.com. That's what a domain is. I just have the infamous Joel.com and totalaffiliatedomination.com, and that's pretty much it. So and I built a 6-figure business with 2 domains. Again, you don't need like, I will say this again and again and again and again, and everyone inside my coaching program, all my students, they all know that I say all the time. The more complicated your business is, the less successful it's going to be. It's just a fact. It's just a fact that success comes from simplicity. The simpler your business is, the more it can grow and scale and make a crap ton of money for you. Okay, so you don't want to have 1,000,001 moving parts. So all this extra domains and stuff, what do you need this stuff for? I mean, unless you're like Starbucks, you know, it's like you have like you know, you're on a stock exchange. I don't see the reason for this many moving parts in your business. Follow-up funnels is completely useless. I don't even need to go deep into that. It's crap. Okay, it's like their email autoresponder system thing. It's garbage. Okay, you're better off with some kind of third party for that. Chat support, honestly, in my experience, that's kind of a lie. It really is. Their support is not very great. I'm not just trying to bash ClickFunnels. I have a lot of fond memories with ClickFunnels. I was a ClickFunnels, like I said, a ClickFunnels customer for over 3 years now. It's a good software. Okay, I love Russell Brunson, the team over there. These guys did a great job. Just pointing out some flaws. Chat support is almost non-existent. I don't even know why it's here. When they say chat support, they really mean just emails. Like, there's no live chat. I've never seen it. If it's there, I've never seen it. Maybe I'm wrong. I've never seen it. Okay, chat usually gets back to me, or I should say support usually gets back to me like 3 days later when I've already solved the problem on my own. Okay, so support is not great. I don't know if maybe I'm missing something, but I don't think it's great. Weekly peer review hackathons. I've never taken part of that, so I don't know what that is. Funnel Flicks. Now, Funnel Flicks is basically their collection of different courses and videos and all that. It's good. I would say it's good. It's good stuff. It's good material. Is it an extra $200 per month good? I would say no. It's not that good. They really should just include it in the basic plan, because it is basic stuff. It's stuff you can probably just find on YouTube for free. It's not mind-blowing information. It's not, you know, next level. It's okay. It's good stuff. If you're a beginner, it'll probably entertain you and educate you for a little bit. But, you know, it's just not $200 per month more good. You know, it's not. It's just being honest, okay? So if we scroll down here, let's see if they say anything else. I didn't see mention here with the $297 plan, you can create your own affiliate program. So what that means is if you come up with your own digital products or physical products that you want to start your business with, you can actually host your own affiliate program, so you can have other people selling your stuff for a commission, for a piece of the profits. Okay, so that's really powerful. That's pretty cool. But there are a lot of other options out there rather than paying an extra $200 a month for that. So it's not that you know, it's not that significant where you're gonna have to pay all that extra amount per month. So long story short, this quick review of the ClickFunnels pricing plan. I've very rarely dove into the $297 a month because I wanted the affiliate thing, but when I tried it out for a little bit, it wasn't really worth it. I would say for almost anyone on planet Earth, the $297 a month plan with ClickFunnels is completely pointless. If you're gonna go with ClickFunnels, and if you watch the rest of this video, I'll show you a much better alternative. So we'll get to that in a second. But if you're gonna end up going with ClickFunnels anyway, I would implore you and encourage you, just stick with the $97 a month plan. Do not bother with this $297. It's completely pointless. It really is. It's not going to add anything to your business. It's not going to help you grow any better. Nothing. The $97 a month basic, you know, easy peasy plan is the only way you need to go. So that being said, then what is it? What is the alternative that I consider the ClickFunnels killer? Okay, this I don't know how long this has been around. This is gonna blow your mind. This thing is awesome. Okay, it's way better in every way, shape, and form. I can't even believe it exists. And you're talking to someone who's tried everything. I've tried Kartra, I've tried Kajabi, I've tried Builderall, I've tried GrooveFunnels, I've tried everything out there, okay? Because I really didn't love ClickFunnels. I liked it, but I didn't love it. So I was always looking for an alternative, always looking for something that might be easier, cheaper, better, faster, whatever, right? But I just never quite found it. I could never quite find that one ClickFunnels killer. So what is it? Here it is. Let's go. It's called System.io or System. I don't know exactly how to say it, but it's freaking amazing. Here it is right here. And as you can see, boom, right off the bat, you can see $0 per month. That's right. There's a free, or I should say freemium plan. I love this for one specific reason. I'm a coach, I'm a course creator. I help affiliate marketers. I help people who are just starting off in an online business. They have a full-time job. They're saying to themselves, man, I want to get into a business. I want to start something, start making some passive income. And when I present to them and tell them, hey, get Clickfunnels, this will help you build funnels and build your business up. $97 a month isn't horrible, but for a lot of beginners, it's just so risky. It's so hard, and they have to learn all these tech skills, and they have to learn all these moving parts. And to ask them to pay $97 a month right up front, it's always been a really tough sell, because they just want to dabble. They want to put their toe in the water and see what it's about. Now I can help them do that, because System.io is completely free at the baseline, at the basic package, okay? And it does a lot, okay? You're saying, well, what do you get for free? Well, let's take a look. You get 2,000 contacts for free. So that means that people that opt into your funnels, that give you their email, their contact information, which we can get into right up here. If you're not familiar with affiliate marketing, which is what I teach, then I'm gonna leave a link up here at the top. A little card will pop up, and you can go through my affiliate marketing crash course right here for free on YouTube. And you can say, well, how many emails can I send in my business? What if I don't even do affiliate marketing? I like to send emails though. You get unlimited email sending. That's right. Unlike Clickfunnels, this isn't just a funnel builder. You can also create courses. You can also send out emails, do automations. You have all kinds of triggers and tags. It's very, very powerful. You can even have a blog. They give you a blog. If you're a writer, if you like to rank your blogs and your websites and stuff like that into Google and get that free traffic, you can do that for free on System.io. You can do unlimited blog posts. You can do a course, like I said. How much storage space do you get? Now you get to upload files, folders, videos, things like that. You get unlimited storage space, so you can host your videos. If you have a course, this is a godsend for people that have courses. There's a lot of other platforms will charge you for space to host your course, for video hosting, all that other stuff. Here, completely free. How many students can you have? It's unlimited amount of students. What if I want to split test my funnel, split test my landing pages, split test my webinar, etc.? Then that you get for free too. What if I want to give away coupon codes with my physical products or my courses or whatever? You can get coupon codes here too. And this is one that just blew my mind. Honestly, I couldn't freaking believe that this was one of the features on System.io, deadline funnels. Now, most funnels, including Clickfunnels, most funnel builders, you don't have this option where you get the little countdown and say, hey, this deal is closing in 3 days, 15 minutes, whatever. And you see the little ticker counting down. Now, a lot of entrepreneurs like myself, we like to have those deals truly close. We like to have those deals gone and over with. If you missed the deal, it's gone. Black Friday deal, this thing is gone. Okay? We love to have things set up like that because we want true scarcity. We want people to really be propelled to move forward and purchase from us. But a lot of other funnel builders, Clickfunnels included, they don't have that feature. They only allow that little ticker, that little timer thing to show up. But once it runs out, it's not real. It's fake scarcity. There's really no way to really do it. This gives you deadline funnels, so it really does go away. This is a real flash sale. It's really over. That's huge. You have to pay extra with a lot of software, including Clickfunnels, to actually make it do that. Now, we talked earlier about Clickfunnels' $297 per month plan. That's the only way you can host your own affiliate program with your own products, with your own physical products, your courses, etc. It's the only way to host your own affiliate program and have other people sell it for you. Here, you can host your own affiliate program for free on the free tier, on the free plan. That's ridiculous, okay? And not only that, the reason I really love it now is because you can actually have a 2-tier affiliate program. That means that people in your program who refer someone, get a sale with someone, there's another tier to that. So your affiliates can actually earn more. It can compound even more, which I love because obviously I'm teaching people in my program how to do affiliate marketing, how to grow online without their own products, without their own services. So to have that multi-tiered affiliate structure where they get commissions from their own referrals, but also commissions from the referrals. That's crazy. It really compounds really fast. And my goal is to get as many people out of their job, out of their 9 to 5 as possible. And if you want to learn more about that, click on the links down in the description below. And finally, you can see here, you get a custom domain, one custom domain with the free plan. You don't get evergreen webinars with this plan, but you can see up here, if you want to upgrade and you want to get more, the $27 a month plan gives you a little more. The $47 a month plan gives you those webinars, and then the enterprise gives you unlimited everything. But the enterprise is $97 per month. So the enterprise plan, let's go over this. The enterprise plan on System.io that gives you everything. I mean, unlimited anything you ever want, okay? That's $97 a month. So it's the equivalent of the basic plan on Clickfunnels that gives you very limited options and whatnot. Okay, so just go over the end. You're not going to get email marketing. You're not going to get all these other things. You'll get this stupid follow-up funnels or whatever. It's terrible. All right, so this is awesome. I can't oversell this enough. I've been looking for something like this for almost 3 years now. I'm so happy I found it. I'm giving it to you guys. Click on the link in the description below to check this out. It's freaking amazing. It also has an affiliate program. And by the way, that is an affiliate link down in the description, but it's completely free. So I feel amazing, you know, just giving it away to people. Say, hey, check this out. This is awesome. And you're going to love it. All right. I've been using it for about 2 weeks now, and I'm never going back. I'm never going back. I thought that Clickfunnels was an end all be all. This is much, much better. And if you want to learn more about affiliate marketing, I have an entire course of playlist right here that you can go through. Click on this playlist and check it out. I'm the infamous Joel.